In a forgotten corner of the attic, something ancient stirred. A treasure map, whispers of dreams, lay crumpled beneath the bed. The air crackled with promise. The bustling square hummed with chatter. Curious eyes turned to the brave soul, ready for adventure. Her heart raced with uncontained excitement, calling for a companion. Skepticism tightened his grip. Shadows of doubt whispered fears of lurking dangers. Yet, the call of adventure tugged at him, impossible to ignore. The map came alive. Clues danced before them, leading to the heart of the forest. Excitement and apprehension intertwined as they moved deeper into the unknown. A rustling echoed sharply. From the shadows emerged a creature of legend. The guardian of the treasure, grumpy and colossal, stirred awake. Panic surged through their veins. The beast charged. Fear propelled them forward, the forest's heartbeat matching their own. Breathless, they stumbled into a moonlit glade. In desperation, words began to flow. An ancestral chant echoing with hope and fear broke the silence. The chant wove through the air, surprising even themselves. With each note, the creature's wrath melted away, transforming fury into calm curiosity. No longer a foe, the ancient guardian became a gentle guide. Together, they journeyed deeper into the heart of the forest, a newfound bond blooming between them. Before them lay the treasure. Gems and gold whispered promises of wealth, yet their eyes lingered on beauty, the forest dressed in twilight hues. The sunset painted the world in hues of dreams and whispers. They understood then that some treasures linger in memories, not in gold. As shadows lengthened, they turned away from riches that could be held. Heart and spirit full, they found treasures that would echo forever, wonders born from adventure.